Nanay and Claire!
Hello KaFam! Welcome to our channel. Isang araw, isang pahina ng aming buhay. Today's video is the part 3 of our DIY birthday series, Farm Theme Birthday. You may check out part 1, loot bags, and part 2, animal balloons, to give you an idea how we created what you will see in this video. Links will be provided in the description box below. Event planning has been one of my great interests for years now. Maybe because I just love to make things organized. Anyways, it's always exciting to plan birthdays because it is colorful and fun, especially for children. And the key to make it great is planning. This will be your ultimate guide what to buy and what to do next. We thought to have a farm-themed birthday at home for my niece and Claire's cousin birthday. Well, I must say that the preparation is overwhelming. Join us as we put everything together we prepared in 2 days. It's showtime! With no other visitors, we just need a small space, and our living room is the spot we chose. You just have to move things aside to make more space. To give us a farm feel start, we can't imagine a farm without a barn, so we made it as our focal point. Only made of construction papers because red Bristol board is not available. We use yellow-colored paper for the loft hay and white Bristol boards for the doors. Since we are Filipinos, we would like to have a coconut tree to represent one of our famous tropical fruits. We use green balloons as our coconut fruits. Then we added Christmas lights to give a little magic and hang the 1-year monthly photos of our celebrant. Isn't it cute? For the balloons, we gathered the color combination for a farm theme like yellow for the sun, red for the barn, blue for the sky, green for the plants, and orange to give a little highlight. The curved presentation resembles a rainbow for more colorful years ahead. And add banderitas or flaglets, which is part of our feast culture in the Philippines. One thing you can add is a little activity for the kids. We call it Feed Me section. If you can make a bigger version, then it will be more fun. Put a container behind the animal structures to catch the feeds we are going to give them. It will make it more organized. Like we did, we used the milk boxes. Let's welcome our guest from the farm. Can you remember these balloons we made in our previous video? Here they are feeling at home as visitors. Now it's time to set up our food table. Basically, list down foods that can be associated with your theme, like this fruitcake, and many more. Have labels to indicate their creative names. To start our party, let's turn on the lights. Finally! One thing we wanted to share is to use your available resources from your home or friends. You can think and add more details more than what we did, because we believe that you can do this DIY party as well. Birthdays are one of the most memorable experiences a child can keep during her younger years, and putting up one should not be too expensive. Just like us, we are just using what we have and starting to think outside of the box. Make your personalized birthday bash every year because it is simply your day. Have it the way you want it. Love, Nanay and Claire.